I have a box here with a thrift exchange that a bunch of us did here on TikTok, and it was hosted by Mel at Mitchell May June. She is awesome. She's on Whatnot. She sells a lot of wonderful stuff. She's a great person. And the person that picked my name is Kim. And I'll have her tagged as well, along with Mel down at the bottom. She is Coffee by Thrifting, and she sent me a lovely little note, said, I really enjoyed picking up these pieces for you. I hope you enjoy everything. I'm sure I will. I'm sure I will. So basically what happens is we get together, we kind of figure out what each person, that whoever we chose, kind of what they like, get a little idea of what they like, and we go thrifting or shopping for them, and we send them a little box up to a certain dollar amount. So I thought this was fun. We did this back in the fall, and so we had a really fun time with that. So we were like, let's do this again for Christmas time, and I'm excited to see what I got. Lots of packing, lots of packing. All right, first one here. Let's see what we got. Oh, that is beautiful. A little brass candle holder. Beautiful, I love it. Anything in there? No, that's packing. Okay. Let's see, what else have we got here? Something wood. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful too. Oh, and it has writing on it. Wooden stuff, M something North Branch. So, I don't know, but that is really pretty. So beautiful. All right, let's see what these guys are. These look like chickens. They look like chickens. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they are. They're little chicken napkin holders. Oh my gosh. Those are so sweet. I love those. Don't mind us. I'm down in my workshop, and I've got the wood stove going because it's cold down here, hence the hat and the sweatshirt and the whole thing. I'm trying to get it warmed up down here. And we're working in the other room doing some stuff. So if you hear something running, sorry about that. But, oh, this is just another set of these cute little chicken napkin rings. My gosh, I love it. I love it. All right, here's this one. Oh, a mystery. It's a lid. It's a lid to a lantern of some sort, I think. Okay. Oh, this wasn't wrapped, but OMG. This is so cute. It's a little chicken rooster, whatever. It's a little bok. It's a little bok. So cute. All right, next one. Oh my gosh, this box just keeps going. Oh boy, yes. She knows me. How does she know me so well? That is super cute. Oh, I love that little lantern. Put a little tea light in there. Get rid of this stuff here. Okay. What's next? Oh, okay. All right. Okay. It's a hanger, little candle. And then I bet this goes with it because it's like the same patina. That is so cute. So cute. I'm going to put it right there. All right. Let's see what else. This one's heavy. Oh, that is cute. That is probably like a soap dish, like a soap holder. I wonder if it has a thing in it or if I have to make one or find one. That's really neat. It's heavy. It's heavy. Okay, let's see. What's this? It's a wheel. It's a little brass wheel. That's so cool. I love that. Let's see what this one is. The box keeps going, guys, so just get a coffee and relax. Oh, he's adorable. Or she. It's adorable. So cute. Oh, I love it. Love my animals. Love my animals. Okay, this is the last one. Let's see what this one is. Oh. Isn't she cool? Oh, I feel like these two go together. Right? Kinda, sorta. Got a little broken foot, but that's okay. Ah, so cute. Oh, Kim, thank you so much for you did such an awesome job. I love it. I love everything. It's all awesome. Beautiful stuff. Thank you. And this was so much fun. Mel, thank you for doing this and getting us to do this, because now I have new friends out there. Really? Now I have new friends out there, and I'm just so excited. So thank you so much, and hope you enjoy.